If someone told me that one day I will find myself gardening in a snowy mountain village in French Alps, I would not believe a word. But life does know how to surprise me quite regularly. So here I am, harvesting carrots and lettuce in the snow, accompanied with this lovely black cat. We spent 2 weeks living with the authentic French family through Workaway program, and the work part was helping to set up their souvenir shop and boulangerie for the winter season. And in warmer days, we would work in the garden and had the most unique and funny experience with that. After a 4-hour work, we were never disappointed with lunch. That was always different, except the cheese and wine part. We loved to try these traditional French recipes and learn how to cook them ourselves. We had many creative evenings together, doing some painting and writing postcards to send abroad to our families and friends. On the cloudy weekend days, we would play with the cats and watch some romantic Christmas movies and drink some very tasty red wines. And when the sun came out, we would go for hikes, explore the local mountains, starting from caves to the mountain tops. This felt a bit like out of this world, the view, high altitude, and understanding that we are sitting on top of the mountain, having a cold drink, and seeing this view with our eyes and sharing the exact experience with each other. After that came the most delicious brownie making that made the whole house smell like chocolate and turned everyone's mood much better.
And I love doing that. I like this.
We spent our last evenings in such lovely and cozy atmosphere. Had fondue for dinner, signed cards to each other, and reflected on everything what has happened by the fireplace. On the last morning, we got to try fresh goods from boulangerie, and soon we were on our way to last destination this year.